Benayo mumowani uwe jabumba yelemeo Timbile jabumo ulanka kwa Unga nala deungwa
Aya tutukao no, aya tutukase Mzough TV shatachi Sidzuwa kahi dueto Hegboko Commodore Titus ma sidzuwa kasha ya vene Mzough TV mkombo wano TV shatachi mblamba venenge sham kweyo kwa mzehemeno mba TV shatachi yo sikomba hi dueto nya ko waile sange Mzough TV manave hemeno he shai hemeno tse sheve bakakra yo ma sidzuwa henya atola TV avese kwa kilikichi adzwa henga songwa shazobya TV
Echeke agimnyam ogena loona baba Shachu Yansatsuwa hemen Mzough TV anyanyoka kijime Yanwe ton sandere Shire wabe Washisebe Chibuza hemen atomo dedoo wala Maha Lunje do se ye ton le yema sababu Maha pa Chiwele kwa wea Chongo yeme hemen Pusu papuke Maha sene se wabe Pendon yunya Pusu awa kula chusha Maha yange Konsu watuti Utemawenda ngichapwa shuna wakae Yone tomi dona hapa Sepenga Shikumana ha Amosa Na yange bebe yange nyani suyu Maka chukwa sebehe nyajane
Commodore Titus Terhemba Agbecha It's one of the nuclear uzinduzi hapa inactivity imoja ajili ukashintaka
jeshi la Tumaya wina ex-official member Barrister Andunam Akwe my woman leader Mrs. Mata Saoni
Sankra Tumaya Yavne legal advisor Una Barrister Sura Po Ustange from Okum Assistant Secretary General Vena Engineer Sende Isaac Tekimbi from Kasnara Local Government.
Tolu bitu mamiti ve tolu besi amba yemba tar 80 treasurer ka Mr. Dwe Tohire Jonathan from Guma 80 PRO ka Mr. Poa Valentine when from Makudi Kaolugondo
Konde Yangene nasi ane Wanwaso mom Omalu hene Anzu na nguhenga Bamelu mujationa Hiyo ex-official member aka CP Yobehia retired Ojoha Kakombos James Agi Abahenga shachu wanzu ulalu shaya Unalu shaya kenkenyo
Exco one was Secretary General. Now from Way East. Now Honorable Utuko Nicholas. Auditor. National Way West. When Chief Timothy Tanom Tiza.
Mbalamba etsove wele Mzough TV tom vinywa afishe he ne veduwe tembe na ha wensho welu ufana tindi utiv barista sheka kawem abumve akendi anatio TV.
I, having been elected as, do hereby solemnly take oath and affirm that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my said office. So help me God. Yes.
Weshon itun President Mzough TV he welu ne nyo ikono ki he Mr. Titus Terhemba Agbecha anasema kwa olun question akaye.
Mpayano sun on Agbecha manta so Quran says dange zeri yange nyange na ham ngusun governor wase oluhenga balo misike jinjinge Mpayano sun bauti o chivri Professor James o tese yase CFR on shuno loto titsega alumbuteo utomba hibeno stage chachi so to asim ba vesen ba otire he ba otuma he na bese so President General Mzough tio sungo sema hungwa kwa she Exco na chi so President ukase mashikase mboluhen chi so ashabo kase bobo nage nyungune so banana pare mtire heshanga hamsega reshanga hasambase ebum se higon de chi zba yembe my chun pisi usumbu awasi matu asa vesin adzege pochivi we shishi yasakina we bonse sega we nasi ring waneka kodon se pishi mamso kana me sechi sim hoton na we ha mashata hambondia se tunu wo ego era kwa mama patinyaga.
President General we sembe kalen kenjime CP obe ihia won shunu sembe huwan kanu nyia won pa anakwa orun akaye
Se Mzough TV elen padiga. Si wan pa mfa elen padiga. Si nu wa for was wan ha magbanati. My hands are open for you. Ama junu yilanchi ya yo yan kai yo. Mo pa mo to zan ya wo. Sino na ta ti za hemen. Nsu yo ba. Wi ye shangana na chi. So me ne tonu ne kwa mo. The Secretary General, MUT President General, Seva Etonega, carry all your members along so that poor will
ato ba anakwa wa he hemenu he Mzough TV tswanyane
Muso Mzough TV mbanje inebe tahamiani President General Mikeshi Milambewe Mfa Zakari Agbecha yanda secondary school sha Katsinala moye danyo kefi kaba yasi negen kibebe se ne kajeni Chiyalu third marine commando ya yina third marine commando ya kaibiyo mba yamulu third marine commando jene yana kwa hachi Nigeria yana kwa hachi hambo na luheya na wepa mpe mpamowe tomne uwedo
Relative Tewasi, His Royal Majesty Professor James Otesi Yodua Ayate, Anakwa Olu, Anashun Hemenote, She Anakwa Wa Hemeno Tim Kononia, Niketo Relative.
Ne Tonshaman Tare, a man says, Su and the Zanzan, no one do Yanela. Again, the woman, the number here, one number me and Chaga number 4, Usuan, Aloba, Suya. So soon as Chatomane. On the tea, one Agbecha Mantala, away in the dodo. Another year, I'm a poasan a shayaton in a teaching on the hidden here in Humbaquadubu. On the chiwe shavan, there's a door, the shitty ton the hand, on the one way, and none. Matumbo wenchi.
Ayatutukao no ayatutukase. Kashami toyam. Gunka uyoma duen a avenetum a tip television hile toweni. Blamba vlue ka yon a avene kaswa shinu nyungu ma viso e tip television aza kula kisilima mana due misha humbe tachilu nengiyo kashio polum kwa jene. Ishankula e due sha jingine. Iye masi pase ne vie avenetum a tip television man wale mbani yila udzwana avisishamiyo polum kwa tip television inyungu yo ilusha shagba.